For this fish curry, first coat the fish with turmeric and salt. Then fry in hot oil. Fish pieces are nice and golden. Now keep them aside. Next, in a bowl, take 1 tablespoon of thick yogurt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it well. Now set it aside. Next, heat some oil. Add bay leaf, cinnamon and cardamom. Now carefully add the yogurt mix. Add the Charmagaz paste or melon seeds paste. This is melon seeds or Charmagaz. Mix it well. Now pour some water. And bring it to boil. Add salt and green chilies. Now add the fried fish. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn the flame off and garnish with fresh chopped coriander. Enjoy Charmagaz Rui curry. Thank you for watching.